Possibly the best car park view in the UK.
What's going on?
Go, go, go!
We're getting battered by the wave.
Nah. Oh, behind it!
Wave!
I feel like this is definitely the best beach that we've seen so far, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm Abby.
And I'm Gaz.
We met 3 years ago travelling the world, where we then brought our love for adventure back to the UK.
Well, for now anyway.
Expect lots of outdoor activities, city escapes, crazy challenges,
And loads of mistakes.
Just handed you around.
Subscribe and let the adventure begin. Alright, hi guys and welcome back to another video.
Another beautiful sunny day in Cornwall. Who knew the weather in England could be like this?
Yeah, it's absolutely stunning. I got sunburnt yesterday.
Definitely not Manchester, is it?
Anyway, today we've got a really good day planned. We popped to Newquay the other day for a couple of hours and we absolutely loved it. Obviously it's one of the most popular towns here down in Cornwall. So we're heading there today.
Yeah, and we're just gonna check out the town, which we didn't really have the chance to do, and do some surfing at Fistral Beach.
Yeah, so we're gonna see how the waves are there, but it's gonna be a good one, isn't it, guys?
Hopefully if we can rip some gnarly waves.
Shut up. Bearing in mind he's surfed once, so yeah, he's not the most experienced. Anyway, we're heading there now, so we'll be there in about 20 minutes and we'll check in with you when we arrive. Stopping for a coffee at the 4 Street Cafe bar before hitting the waves, aren't we guys?
And the arcades.
And the arcades.
And the fish and chips.
And the fish and chips.
Possibly the best car park view in the UK.
For a coffee.
For anything.
Arrived at Fistral Beach and it looks amazing.
Bloody gorgeous weather.
Oh, dog barking. Just going to get some surfboards and try out the waves, aren't we, Gaz?
Yeah, we're going to check out how much the surfboards are to hire. Just got run over almost. But
it looks very grand, doesn't it?
It looks pretty bloody good.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's check it out.
And that's where we went coastering, isn't it? Yeah. Over there. Right over there. Nice and cold on the feet, aren't they, guys?
They are. So we're just about to go in the water.
Yeah. How are you feeling, Gaz?
Feeling good.
The waves look a lot stronger than the other place, don't they?
So there's loads to do at Fistral Beach.
Oh yeah, there's a massive cafe which is where Gaz's nan and granddad are sitting whilst we surf.
My surfboard was £15 for the day. Yeah. Which isn't even that bad really, is it?
No.
And the waves look pretty gnarly, man. But yeah, we're about to go in the waves. Abby's going to show you footage of me falling over. Yeah. So let's go.
Let's go. Can't even get the strap off the board. It's put round his ankle.
What's going on here? This is not even funny, man. Get off, go away, go away. What's going on? Abby, I'm not even exaggerating, I can't get strap off. So we worked out the problem. It needs to be attached to the board, so I just needed to do this. Here we go. Sat here for 5 minutes. Right, great, sorted.
You're an idiot, that was me who worked it out though.
my shred on.
You ready? Jesus, it's so powerful. How is it, Gaz?
I'm getting battered by the wave.
They're much stronger, aren't they?
I keep swimming out and then like going to stand up, falling off and then getting like dragged back to shore. But it's fun, but I'm not very good at it.
Do you feel unsafe?
Back then I did, for like a few seconds. But then I just swam back and I'll go back in.
Yeah.
Might start with like these.
Round 2, smaller waves.
Round 2. See, look at that. I'm already back. So anywhere around there.
I rode like 4 waves all the way back to shore. I was on my belly on the sand. Yeah. I've been filming Gaz surfing for half an hour, so it's my turn to go and do a bit of easy boogie boarding.
I'll film you boogie boarding.
And doing it as well.
Yeah, the waves are pretty rapid, but
Yeah.
it does look fun. Nope, can't get any good waves. How's it going, Abs?
The waves are massive, but I can't ride them today. I've not got the knack. Oh, behind it.
Wave! Jesus.
How's that, Gareth?
So, I'm out at the sea, I'm alive. That's 2 good things.
Alive, tick. Out the sea, tick.
It was very intense, but at the end, I think the hardest bit of surfing is actually getting out there to the waves.
Yeah.
Because you keep getting near where the surf waves are and getting dragged back in. But then the last time I went in, I managed to just make my way out there and then actually got on the wave back, which was good.
Oh, that's good.
But then when I was out there the first time, I got all the way out there, tried to stood up and then got like dragged under the sea and ended up like being sick in the water, like coughing out a load of water.
Yeah, it's pretty hardcore out there today, I'd say, but it's good fun, isn't it?
But yeah, really good.
I didn't give surfing a go today because it looked too rough.
It was good though.
But I did the other day though.
I think if you can get out there, it's a lot easier. The hardest bit is just getting smashed by waves constantly. You need a jet ski, someone to tow you out there, and then just
Like the
surf back.
professionals. Yeah.
But I think I'm getting the hang of how to stand up and come back.
I feel like this is definitely the best beach that we've seen so far, isn't it? It looks so nice.
But now we're going to go and get a drink with my nan and granddad on this nice bar on Fistral Beach.
It's right behind us, the bar actually, so it looks really good.
Let's get a bloody pint.
Need a glass of wine.
God, look at this party, I'm losing my hair. I look like a monk. Oh, look at it, Cheers.
Yeah.
I'm in the middle of watching race around the world.
Fish bites and chips.
Grandad.
Yummy. absolutely burned to a crisp as well. Who knew England was this hot when you go on holiday?
Yeah, I feel like I've been in like Spain or the south of France all day.
Yeah, that's all we were doing. Like me, Gaz, and his brother and his brother's girlfriend were just chatting on the way back, saying like we're so surprised at how much this place feels like we're abroad. Like it just doesn't feel like England, does it?
No, but it's been pretty good day.
Yeah, that beach is definitely the best beach I've visited. Everything's so accessible.
Fistral Beach is the best beach so far.
Yeah, yeah, we would definitely.
Good surfing, good beers.
And good food as well, very good food. We had some cheesy chips at lunchtime, which was so nice as well. Really good day. We're going to go out for dinner now and have our last drinks because we're going home tomorrow, but it's been really, really nice. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you like it, and we will see you.
If you like if you like to watch me ride those gnarly waves, Mum.
Or don't you mean failing to ride those gnarly waves?
Riding the gnarly waves.
Shut up. Anyway, right, see you in the next video. Bye.
Wants to see your ass. Got your builder's ass coming out.
Where are they?
We got a builder on the bed.
Your ass crack's actually out.
Hey Gareth, I think you dropped safe. Come on then, put it on then. Oh Gav, you made a right pop of that. Do you need any more sand? Helping you. Get up.
Oh, I can't breathe.
Get it on the wrong way round. I'm not good on the wrong way round. Like Kevin and Perry.
Get off!
They're thinking, what the hell's going on here?
Oh God.
Keep your arms in. Arm in.
I can't stop laughing, my stomach hurts.
Oh, there's sand inside it, mate.
Like a rat.
Right, be careful, I've got sunburn on this side. Alright, right, don't pull it hard, no. Right, pull that knife in. Right, zip me up. Yeah.
Straighten your arm.
Yeah, straight.
Oh God. You feel like Dumb and Dumber? Bloody get out there.
There you are. It's done.
Right, it's done.
It's done.
Enjoy. Whoa, I don't want your
What
sandy.
colour's yours?
Oh, look what you've done.
Swap if you want.
I need to get the secret.
Bye bye.
Alright.
Enjoy. They didn't go up the right way.
Whatever. Got to surf. Can't surf there.
Like Jonathan's the expert now, is he?